A STEM event is when our team at Kent ISD helps you plan and coordinate an experience that is hands-on, career-centered, and very engaging for students and teachers. It can look a couple different ways. We have had day events where industry partners come in and they run breakout sessions with students so they get that important exposure to those STEM careers that exist out there.
Today was electric. The students were engaged. They were excited. They asked so many great questions. The employers, oh my gosh, every activity, it was age appropriate, it was hands-on. Students asked questions about their careers. They asked questions about the company. Students got to meet several employers and become knowledgeable of several career paths because of this opportunity. So I just want to say today was just electric. I feel alive. They've given me a burst of energy.
We can also help coordinate and plan evening events as well. These events tend to get families involved and feature all the amazing educational experiences that live in the STEM world at the school. Our team has many resources available, such as industry connections, educational STEM kits and tools, as well as many amazing consultants to help you get your event up and running.
The team from the ISD was just invaluable in making our vision for what STEM night for our families could look like a reality. We hadn't had a lot of family nights coming out of the pandemic, and it was really important for us, for our families, to have experiences and see the opportunities that exist for their kids with STEM learning. Our ISD friends walked right alongside of us, and they helped us with materials and with ideas, and they manned rooms that evening. It was just a great collaboration with the consultants at the ISD in helping us pull off a STEM night that really 141 families in our community came to and participated in, and it was just a great night for our community that we really could not have done without the help of our friends at the ISD.